Hello friends, this is Shubhranshu Panda and here I am back with an interesting session for you. I hope you are doing well and let's start the today's session. Today's session is all about like how to handle the packages in Salesforce. The packages can be of unmanaged or managed package. If you heard about it, if you have installed any packages using the App Exchange, so no, we are not going to detail in about a managed package in this today's session, but yeah, we'll discuss about like how to create an unmanaged package and how can you can deployment how you can deploy to any org from the different org like your dev org or your the sandbox org that is not connected with any other each other. So you can do the deployment that will be discussed today in today's session. So yeah, let's start today's session. So first of all, the question is why we require the unmanaged package, right? So unmanaged package is like you can create the package and you can deploy the changes to the any org which is not related to each other, but yeah, you can deploy using the similar to the app exchange how you install any managed package from the app exchange. So unmanaged package enable the collaborations between different Salesforce environment like we discussed now. Developers can create and package their customization. They share them with others to testing or implementation. Okay, so let's take in one example. Let's take in one example like you have created one application that will be useful for lead system that can identify the duplicate leads in your system, and you want to share that application with your another developer which is like he also or she also doing in a developer org, but the different org they are not connected to each other. So how can you share that code or directly you can deploy your code or your application to the different org, right? That is the main question, and that time you cannot just copy paste if it is a urgent requirement for that application, right? So that time the unmanaged package can help you, and here we'll discuss the step by step process. Okay. So what are the benefits of unmanaged package? So first of all, like we discussed, the first is collaborations. Like you can collaborate with each other dev org and you can share the code using the unmanaged package. Second is a development life cycle. So it is a very important part in a development life cycle. So you can handle the different applications in the different life cycles of development. Third is code reusability. Obviously, the code will be reused, so you cannot code everything right in your org every time if you require the same code in a different org, right? Then testing and validation. Yeah, testing and validation is the purpose. Like if you are develop something application, right, and you are not sure about like how the end user will behave with their testing purposes or their requirements, so you can create one unmanaged package and you can deploy it to different org and you can share, like you can tell them you can test them and let us know like what is the validation or what is the another requirement that we can handle it, or what are the drawbacks of this application. So that is the major part in a testing and validation. Fifth is a distribution of configuration. So you can set the configuration, you can deploy the configuration of different things, and you can distribute different things using the managed package or unmanaged package. Then app exchange development. So yeah, that is like a key things here. App exchange is like whenever you try to create any unmanaged package, so it is a most important part because you cannot directly create any managed package, right? Before that you have to thoroughly testing everything in your org before doing you have to deploy in your app exchange, and app exchange didn't allow to directly deploy. So best practices is you have to first create the unmanaged package, you have to test it in a different org thoroughly, then you have to deploy using the managed package in your app exchange so that end user can install that application and they can use it in a smooth manner. Seventh is like version control. So unmanaged package also give us the version control system, so you can create the different version of your packages so you can handle that. We'll see the version control, how we can set the version control also. Yeah, but that is the overall like benefits what I have known. Okay, so yeah, let's the first like there, that is my favorite part, demo. So we'll do some hands-on now. Okay, so first of all, I have login with my DevWork, and this is my one DevWork. I'll create one class, one dummy class here, and I'll deploy that class to the different org using the unmanaged package. Okay, so let's create one dummy apex class. So let's say dummy apex test, dummy apex only. Okay, I hope you can see my code. Let some zoom in. Okay, I hope you can now see the code. Okay, let me just comment out the constructor part here, and I'll create the simple public list, sorry, lost not list, list of lead, and I want the get all leads here. Okay, and will not pass anything parameter here. We'll just return the some of the fields. Let's say select ID, name, email, mobile phone, sorry, phone, from lead, okay, ordered by, created date, descending, and we'll set the limit 20, because that is the best practice. Let's deploy this. I'm not doing anything, just for a purpose I am just creating one class, and we'll see that we can deploy this class using the unmanaged package. And yeah, before going to unmanaged package, this is most important part, you are deploying something from one org to different org, so test class is important, right? So before doing any deployment, yeah, okay, that is deployed, perfect. So yeah, I'm saying you have to do the apex class with your like test class also required with the 75%. So let's also create one apex class for this, that is a test class, sorry, dummy apex test. Okay, so here also will constructor, let's comment out this, we required a test class, so we'll set these test, see all data. I hope you know about this like syntax. I'm not going to any detail because I'm assuming you know about this. If you require, then we'll discuss this in a different session, but let's create some setup data here. Sorry, setup test data, yeah, test method. First of all, we'll comment out this setup, test setup. Okay, sorry, oh my god, test setup. Okay, we'll create one lead here, lead ld lord lead. Give me a moment, I'll just rewrite the code and we'll connect again. All right, so for this time saving, I have already wrote the code like setup data and the test method. So I didn't do anything the magical here. Just I have insert the lead, and I have just queried and the just call the get all leads. Okay, I don't know why it is not showing the see all that, try to run the test here, but yeah, I have tried in the developer console and it is successfully done, and you can see the dummy apex what we have developed, that is 100% covered. Okay, Now let's move to the main part, like how to do the unmanaged package. So first of all, you have to log in the org which you have to deploy from. Okay, then you have to go to the setup and try to search the package here. Then you have to go to the package manager. Then you have to create the new package here. You can give the any name. As of now I'm just giving the dummy apex. Then you can select the language here. You can set the link. I'm not doing anything, just I'm save this. Once it is saved, it will show the UI for uploading the documents. Oh, wait a moment, what is this? Oh, maybe that was the technical issue before because of my internet. But yeah, once it is created, it will show this UI, and this will disable because here it is not anything. There is not any components or you have not added. That's why it is disabled. Now let's quickly add our um, RFS class. Okay. Okay. Now RFS class. So one magical things here, let's suppose you have created the class and you have it is depending on the different record types, custom fields, layouts, and when you select any APS class or the component or the trigger, it will automatically fetch all the dependencies here and it will show all of the dependency depend on the class or depend on your component or depend on the trigger. It will fetch all of the dependencies and it will add automatically. So as of now I am standing like I wrote the only standard fields here, that's why it is not added anything here, and it is showing the dummy apex test. Let's quickly add the one custom field if we have. First I have to check there is any custom field or not. uh, Wait a moment. Object manager. Okay, so we have one custom field that will I'll include this in my query, and let's see what will happen. I'll quickly deploy this and I'll add this into my test class as well. Let's see it will add or not. What is the data type? Is a text. Okay, we'll handle the sorry, we'll add anything text here. Okay, it is deployed. Now we'll deploy this as well, and let's quickly run the test. Okay, let's open our class. It is deployed. Perfect. Now open our class here, dummy apex. First open our class, then we'll open our the test class. Test class will open. Quickly run the run test. It will run the test and let's see what will happen. Okay, we got some error here. What is the error? Assertion failed. Okay, so we have to add the field as well. Let's again deploy this. Test run. Okay, let's okay, let's test again this. Hope this will solve our issue. Okay, perfect. It is successfully done, and we'll check the what is the percentage. Okay, perfect. It is 100%. Actually, there is no code, so it will always 100%. Okay, let's do the R package. Okay, let's go to the package manager again. Uh, Dummy apex. See, I'm not doing, I didn't in anything, but it will automatically add the registration number because it is the dependency. Okay. If you want, you can remove this field like component and we'll add again. We'll remove. See, test class is also depending on the dummy apex. That's why it is all automatically added. So first we'll delete the, yeah, now you can see or deleted. Now we'll add again our apex class. So you can see like how it is automatically added or not. Okay, apex class where it is here. Here it is. We'll go to the D part, dummy apex. Okay, we'll scroll down. We'll add the dummy apex. Add to the package. Now we'll see the field is automatically added. Yeah, now you can see the registration number is automatically added. I have not added previously. I have just added these classes. So field is dependent on this class. So it is already added. Now you can see the upload button is also enabled. You have to just click on the upload button, and once it is uploaded successfully, you will get the email notification, on your registered email ID for your org, and you will get the one link. Now just we'll upload this. You will get the success message or error message if you have, like if you have not added any test class, then it will show like test class is mandatory for the apex class. Yeah, here you can see, you can, like we have discussed, light, you can set the versions also. Now for as of now it is a first version, so I'm not doing anything. So dummy apex controller deployment or just deployment. Okay, I'm not setting anything. You can set the password also if you don't want to use any other third parties to be, like you can click on the copy link and you can just use that. So you can set the password and didn't share with anything, and just share with the password which you required. But as of now that is not required, so I'm just doing anything. And you can set the, like whatever the additional things you can do, like work order workflow. You can also add, you can set the record type sharing, how the sharing will be work. You can set this as well. And nothing, right? And scroll down. Okay, nothing is there. So again you have to click on upload. Once it is enabled, it will show the success or the error message. Let's see what will happen. I've added anything, so let's see what will happen. Creating a snapshot of package components. Let's wait for a while. Alright, you can see the dummy apex version is now successfully uploaded. I require, like, will get the email notification. I'm not sure why it is not done. No worry, but you should get the like email, and you once it, okay, like I'm saying, once it is successfully uploaded, you will get the email, or also you will note the installation URL also here. So this is the important, so you have to just copy it and you have to do the installation on your different org where you require to deploy this. So I'm just copy this link, and I have already logged in with my different org. Now what we'll do, we'll again copy. and we'll paste this code. You have to just copy paste this, and you have to log in with your or credential where you require to install this. So it will automatically, like, it is automatically fetch the my org, because it is I have already logged in. And here you can see this package can't be installed because it is required to some minimum time to be appeared. So it can be of 30 minutes or it can be a 1 hour also, because the complexity you have in your application, unmanaged deployments, it will take some time. So let's wait for a while, it will automatically appear here. Okay, finally it is showing my dummy apex. See, we have named this as a dummy apex. So it is showing my dummy apex. Why Vasa? Because it is our domain name from where we had the create the unmanaged package, and now we are deploying in this train rider. It is a different org for me, and I'm deploying this package into this org. And if you remember, we have talked about like password. So if you have a password, then it will appear here. Like you can set the password, then only appear, like it will show the for the installation. As of now, it is showing if it is already appear, like it is already there, then what you have to do not install or rename conflicting component in a package. So I'm just going with the default options, and I am deploying for the install for the all users. Let's install this. So it is a similar way like how we are installing the app exchange products in our org. So similar way we are installing our unmanaged package. So let's wait for a while. And yeah, meanwhile, the managed package and the unmanaged package, the key difference, only thing, like managed package, you cannot edit or you cannot modify any of the components in this. But in unmanaged package, I believe you can like edit or you can modify some of the apex class or the different things. But yeah, in managed package, you cannot do anything. Perfect. The installation is completed. Let's check whether it is successfully showing or not. Where it is our dev org. Okay, here it is, our train org. Now go to the apex classes. And remember, if you are deploying the workflow process builder, so it will not default enable. You have to go to the that workflow email, like a process builder workflow, and you have to enable those the similar way how we are doing. Why it is not showing? Let's go to the classic. Okay, dummy apex, where it is showing or not, let's see. Yeah, perfect. Now it is showing here dummy apex. It is in a train rider org. Let's also check whether the leads, we have created one custom field also, right? And we have deployed this. Now let's check whether the lead, that fields is there or not. Let's go to the object manager, edit object. Go to the object manager, go to the lead, now we can search for our registration number field. Let's quickly search registration number. Perfect. The API name is different because I have enabled this train rider for our org. So that's why it is like showing everything with the train rider, but it will automatically deploy. You can see here. So this is all about like how we are doing the unmanaged package deployment. If you have any question, any doubts, any feedback for me, you can just ping me out, or you can ping me on the LinkedIn as well. I'll give the LinkedIn link on this video on the below description. And yeah, thank you so much for your time, And if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, you can subscribe my channel to get the more such videos. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.